Importante rin na i-identify natin ano ang skills na kinakailangan ng team members para ma-address yung mga needs and wants na yon. Kasi ang napapansin ko minsan when I observe some businesses when they do their meetings, ito ang needs ng ating kliyente ha, siguraduhin nyo na hindi magre-reklamo yan. Again, what is step 1, step 2, step 3?
Now naman, pag-usapan natin yung mga tips mo siguro for SMEs. Kasi we've talked about, yun nga, why customer experience is very important, tapos mga success stories din, and also how they can address yung mga challenges. No? So, for those SMEs naman, especially those people, those organizations na medyo smaller. So they want to implement and elevate their customer service, customer experience. Ano yung mga tips mo for them?
Unang-una, importante na i-identify natin ano ba talaga yung mga needs and wants ng ating mga customers. Pag sinabing needs, yung basic needs sa business natin, di ba? Once we're able to identify ano talaga yung needs and wants. Kasi pag na-meet natin yung needs, may customer satisfaction. Pero pati kung yung wants nila na-meet natin, reasonable wants hindi naman yung wants na illegal, immoral, di ba? Deadly, hindi ganon. Pag na-meet natin pati yung wants nila, may customer delight. So magkaiba yung customer satisfaction sa customer delight. Of course, you can really elevate your business kapag customer delight ang naging goal natin. Okay. Pangalawa, importante rin na i-identify natin ano ang skills na kinakailangan ng team members para ma-address yung mga needs and wants na yon. Kasi ang napapansin ko minsan when I observe some businesses when they do their meetings, ito ang needs ng ating kliyente ha, siguraduhin nyo na hindi magre-reklamo yan. Again, what is step 1, step 2, step 3? Minsan kasi sasabihin natin, yung ma'am, ginawa naman po namin. Yeah, but that's not according to step 1, step 2, step 3. Everything has to be, as I've mentioned earlier, standardized. Okay? Okay, hindi na ako magbabanggit ng mga pangalan ng kumpanya, but let's say sa isang franchise, let's say isang establishment na sobrang successful sa franchise. Yung ang nagpapasucceed sa mga ganon, hindi naman yung iisang tao lang It's the system that made those people successful. Sistema, kahit nga 20-year-old students or 18-year-old students, napapatakbo yung sistema. Diba? Because nakaset na. Ngayon, mag-hire ka ng mga magagaling nga. Hindi naman din nila alam yung sistema. Then there's definitely not going to be success in the business. Okay. And lastly, ang tip ko, which nakita ko to sa maraming mga negosyo din, yung recruitment. Okay? Pag magre-recruit tayo ng mga tao na magtatrabaho for us or magtatrabaho with us, huwag na natin masyadong daanin yung dahil naawa ka kasi pinsan mo na walang trabaho and all. Diba? Kasi lalo na kung frontliners, kailangan tignan natin yung taong, okay lang naman kung yung pinsan mo walang trabaho, basta meron siyang willingness to learn. Okay? Willing to be trained. Yung ganon. Kasi pag tumingin ka sa mga ads ngayon, di ba, sa mga job postings, with a pleasing personality. Okay, pleasing personality, but you have to have good character also. So sa recruitment, titignan muna natin yung character. Educational background, I'm not really 100% sold out to that kasi marami namang mga hindi naman galing sa malalaking eskwelahan, but they are very, very good when it comes to attitude, yung willingness. So yun, I would say number 1, know what your customer needs and wants. Number 2, what are the skills needed, and then create a system for it. And number 3, with the recruitment, pick your team members very well.
Ayun. So for those of you who want to know, get a copy nitong tips ni Ms. Tinette, you can click on go to olearn.ai again, tapos enter another code. If you've done this already, kung hindi, kung kanina pa, you may need to input your name and email. Tapos sa code, input 1750. So 1750 and then click on the submit button. So yan yung mga tips ni Miss Tinette on how you can elevate your customer service. So understand your customer needs, yung hire yung right talent. Tapos also may bonus ka dito, which is also to identify areas for improvement.
Yes.
Continuously identify.
Correct, yes. And that would again entail knowing the skill gaps, process gaps, lahat yon. So just continue to improve because we have to evolve.
Yeah.
The customers now are getting more sophisticated when it comes to their needs. Marami na tayong kalaban, marami ng options. So kailangan tayo yung maging preferred palagi sa lahat.